Hello children, good morning. Tell me, have you revised all the alphabet? Yes or no? Yes. So let's quickly revise alphabet G, which we have learned in our last session. This is capital G. This is small g. Mama G, baby G. The sound of G is G. G for goat. G for grapes. G for gate. G for girl. G for glass. G for gun. G for glue. G for gift. G for gorilla. G for gloves. G for ginger. G for goggles. G for globe. G for guava and G for guitar. Hey, it's time for activity. I'm sure you will love to do this activity. For this activity, we need one paper, one brown color sketch pen and one color. Which color is this? Green color. G for green. So let's start our activity. Now tell me, which alphabet is this? This is capital G. This is small g. Capital G, small g. Mama G, baby G. Now, in this activity, we are going to make grapes with our fingertip. Now, dip your finger in the color and press it on the paper. Dip your finger and press it on the paper. And now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Dip your finger into the color and press it on the paper. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, dip your finger into the color and press it on the paper. 1, 2, 3. Dip your finger into the color and press it on the paper. 1, 2. And last time, dip your finger in the color and press it on the paper. 1. Now take brown color sketch pen and make standing line on the top of grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make slipping line . This is slipping line. Ta-da! Our grapes are ready. Would you like to eat these yummy grapes? Yes. Now it's time for worksheet. This is picture of goat. G says G, G as in goat. You have to join the dots with crayon and color in this goat. You can tell your mama to draw this picture on the paper or take a printout of this worksheet and color it. So did you enjoy this session? Now try this activity at your home and enjoy your day. See you.